So I'm getting ready for the webcast and the POM, which is 3413. So all of these fabrics are going to be great for yoga pants. The yoga pant that we're doing is just a really, really pretty yoga pant. This gold matches beautifully with the fur. If you've gotten the fur, this is a great thing to wear it with. You'll see tomorrow night I did a yoga pant out of this, and it's wonderful. It's got stretch in both directions, and it's really lovely. It's very, very pretty. It's a cotton poly blend. And then I did another outfit, and oh my gosh, I think it's just my new favorite. It's out of velvet. I did a pants and a top, 917 if you look at that. That's what I did for the top. This has stretch in both directions. It's beautiful. It is just stunning, and it is a cotton poly. Then there's this great green. You're going to see something out of that. I just love it. It really could be used both sides, but it has great drape, and it's lightweight, perfect for a yoga pant, and it is a cotton poly also. And then this black, did a little mix up with this black. You'll see what I did with it. Cotton poly also, great drape, great weight. It has a slight rib in it, so it actually could be used for ribbing as well. But it has stretch in just one direction. And then this is incredible, not for yoga pants, but you can see for a top for many of these. And look at that selvage. Isn't that so cool how it brings out that black? I just love it. It's really pretty. So we're going to see some great stuff with this. Now this is a cotton silk poly. It's a blend. It's beautiful. The drape on this, the texture, it's absolutely lovely. And then this is actually a Pantaroma. I don't even know which side is the right side these days. But anyway, this is a Pantaroma. It's beautiful. It's 100% cotton. Beautiful piece of fabric, has stretch in both directions. All right, so we're going to see some great outfits made from this little combination, and we'll see you then. All right, happy sewing.